Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well, and I am very humbled and thankful for the appreciation you all have showered on me for the past videos. So today I'm gonna talk about my crystals, my favorite thing. And as you all know that I am a tarot card reader and a psychic healer. So through my readings, in the course of the reading, I keep telling people who really require the certain kind of crystals to enlighten their life, to amplify the whole effect of the remedies I give them, and to uplift the whole aura which is lacking in their being. So we're going to talk about crystals. They are just amazing thing, and I will talk about all the crystals I own and I work on for my own chakra cleaning and for my readings and all my things. So I love them because they amplify the whole effect of any remedy given or anything. So we're going to talk about rose quartz. They are little pink color crystals. They are the crystals for love. So for unconditional love, rose quartz is one crystal you have to owe to yourself. So these crystals help you get the self-love which is lacking in you, because if you don't love yourself, you cannot love anyone. That's as simple as that. Then it gets you the right kind of love in your life if you're lacking that. So if some people tell me that they are just searching for love, they find someone, then again it's the same circle, the same vicious circle they're going through, and they're not attracting the right people or the right kind of love they require in their lives. So rose quartz really help you. It can be used in tumbler form, in an angel form, in the form of bracelet, or you can have a mala over your body. So there are different ways to use the crystals, but yes, rose quartz help in an unconditional love. Then the one more thing it does, it gets compassion to you. So compassion is a very important thing, because if you're not compassionate to the world outside your house or the people around you, how will you attract the right kind of love? Because you have to be humanly sympathetic towards people and the surrounding around you. So rose quartz even help you if you're very aggressive. So it gets you the right kind of compassion in your life. One more thing it helps is in the forgiveness process. So you have to forgive people. You're not forgiving anyone because probably they've hurt you really bad, or you really want to hurt them back. It's you just forgiving them so that you can move ahead in your life. So sometimes forgiveness is not for the other person, it's for your own well-being. It is very important part of your being, because if you don't forgive, you don't move ahead, because you are holding on to the grudges, probably the other person is not. So rose quartz is the crystal you need for love and all kind of good things which attract love. So I hope you like this little information about rose quartz and it helps you if you're lacking love.